Samsung's 2025 foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, are set to debut in July. The hype is growing as Samsung is gearing up to start mass production of its devices next month, with panels for the foldable OLED displays produced at Samsung Display. The Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, a more affordable foldable, is also rumored to be released alongside the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. Samsung may prefer to focus on the premium models first and let the Fan Edition come later, possibly around October or November. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be a game-changer with exciting upgrades on the horizon. It could take inspiration from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a sleek, premium version only available in South Korea and China. Expect a more refined design, possibly with larger screens and a more premium finish. Early rumors also suggest the S Pen is making a return, with a fresh new design. On the performance front, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip is expected to power the device, though there is still some buzz about an Exynos 2500 variant. Qualcomm is likely to lead the charge, and if there are different chips for different regions, it's just Samsung keeping us on our toes. The camera specs are rumored to be a 200-megapixel main sensor, making the Z Fold 7 one of the best foldable cameras out there. The phone is expected to land around July 10th, with pricing expected to stay close to last year's models, with a price range of $1,799 to $1,899. The design and displays are expected to be Dynamic AMOLED 2X with 120Hz refresh rate and 2600 nits peak brightness. The Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the best foldables yet, with its sleeker form factor and enhanced displays. It might even come with Android 16 and One UI 8 straight out of the box, which is a huge deal considering the slow rollout of Android 15 for Samsung users. If the rumors hold true, this could be a big redemption moment for Samsung, potentially beating Google's Pixel devices to the punch with Android 16. Samsung's 2025 foldable phones are shaping up to be a massive leap forward, with the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 being the stars of the show. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.